What's going on, guys? I'm Anthony Deceglie with Sandy Hook Yachts. We're in beautiful sunny Naples, Florida right now. We're aboard the 2025 Marex 330 Scandinavia. This is the first one to debut in North America. Awesome section of this aft of the boat. We have this high walk-through door. Now we're at the aft section of the Marex over here. You see we got tons of seating here for all the family and friends. We got this awesome dinette table that folds up to make, a big kitchenette. You got tons of cup holders and ton of storage underneath all the seats as well as awesome sunroof up top that opens up and really gets this thing on the outdoor feel. All right, guys, now we're gonna head into the cockpit of this Marex 330 Scandinavia. You'll see we have this tinted glass door here. We'll make our way inside. You'll see we have this beautiful wet bar here. We're gonna have this big sink with a really cool design here for the sink. You don't really see that too often. You have your electric stovetop right here. Then up here at the helm, you'll see we have dual Garmins accompanied by our joystick as well as a bow thruster. Another cool feature here when you're backing up this Marex is the backup camera you'll see up here on the Garmin. That's an awesome feature for up here if you're running the boat solo. And another awesome feature on this boat is the side walk-through door. As you can see, opens super easy, and I got easy access right outside to the bow. All right, guys, now we're on the port side of this Marex, and you'll see that you have this dinette table. Awesome feature with this is you can make it smaller here, and you can also bring back this seat and face, forward with the captain. And as you can see, you can fit, 3 people here comfortably, and it's an awesome view here of where you're heading. All right, so here on the starboard side, we're gonna have our head. You got tons of space in here, huge mirror. You'll have this separate head from the shower, which is a nice touch. It's not a wet head, which people do love. Over here on the port side, you'll see we have our aft berth. That's a king-size bed down there, so we easily can fit 2 people in there, which is nice. You'd also have a huge hanging locker. And then you have this awesome sunshade here right here as well, which brings in a lot of natural light, which is really nice for the bedrooms. And then in the front section of the boat, you'll see we have our master stateroom, which again, a king-size bed, sleeps 2 very comfortable. And you'll also have another massive hanging locker here, which is a nice touch. All right, guys, up here in the bow of the Marex 330 Scandinavia, you'll see we have this huge sun lounger up here, which is awesome. And another really cool feature they did with this thing floats. So if you're at the sandbar and you want to throw it in the water, it won't, take on water. The thing will float. You can lay on it. You won't get wet. It's a really cool touch up for that. Hey guys, thanks for taking a tour of this 2025 Marex 330 Scandinavia. Again, I'm Anthony Deceglie with Sandy Hook Yachts. If you want to learn more about this boat or any information on it, don't hesitate to reach out at sales@sandyhookyachts.com.